So when we measure these, you want to measure the total length with the spring unstretched. This is our good spring, but when it was still installed, it stretched out a little bit, so I couldn't measure that for the total length of the spring required. So what I did was I measured the broken spring while it was still installed to get the spring length. To do that, we want to measure from the actual spring to the spring, not including the cones.
So spring.
So we had about a 21.5 inch spring there.
21.5, all right.
And the second measurement you're going to need is the inside diameter of the spring. So this one, you can see we have about a 2-inch inner diameter right there.
So just with those two measurements, we can order a spring?
One more. These springs come in different wire sizes.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, so we're going to need to count how many wire, or how much distance. We're going to edit this part out. We're going to count 10 coils and see how much distance that is on the spring, and then we're going to count 20 sort of as a double check. So once again, we want to make sure that we use an unstretched length of spring. So I'm going to use my broken spring here, and starting from this coil right here, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to measure there. You might want something to mark that with, but it's about 2 1/8 to the 10 coil mark. To double check ourselves, we'll count another 10. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that comes out to just over 4 1/8. So we know that we've got 20 coils in 4.125 inches. So you can just divide that and come up with your coil diameter. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
In this case, it came out to a .207 size. They do come in different sizes, so make sure you get the right wire size on your springs.
So wire size, diameter,
inside diameter,
and length.
And total length.